We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White water heater. Serial model and model number, sorry, is right here. Go ahead and get that registered with the Bradford White. You can mail it into them with the warranty card that's in here. Go to bradfordwhite.com and fill it out. Down here at the bottom, we've got brand new gas valve included in the contract, and then a 1/2-inch OD by 24-inch corrugated stainless steel supply over the controller. Bottom third, we've got the adjustable strap per code and contract. Upper third, adjustable strap by code and by contract. Up here, we've got the relief valve comes with the unit. This relieves temperature and or pressure, very critical part of the unit. Make sure this stays in good working order. And that's tied back in with a Falcon stainless steel connector. We did bring the copper up, soldered a 90 on and a male adapter, tied it back together with supply line, and so that functioned correctly. We operated this, showed it how to operate it to the homeowner. It's stubbed out copper, so we went ahead and put a brass valve on here as per contract. It's a Watts 3/4 inch quarter turn full port ball valve, and then a brass nipple down to a Falcon stainless steel connector, full 0.725 inside diameter. It's ultra flexible. You can take these apart, straighten them out, and bend them over and over again. So those are real nice. 3/4 by 18 down to the top of the tank. Got a 3/4 brass nipple and coupling. Same thing on the hot side, copper adapter down to a Falcon stainless steel connector down to the top of the tank. The reason we do this is they've got little heat traps in here that's got a plastic insert that sits up on top, but it's angled at a pretty steep incline here, and the rubber gasket kind of floats down over the top of it. Doesn't seat real well, and you end up having to over tighten these. So we just stub it up and get a brass in there, tighten these down. We don't have any trouble with these. A little bit extra money for brass, but it flows great. It does not corrode like the iron pipe, and of course this is a drain line, so don't worry about this one, but the brass will not corrode on the inside. It flows great. We did put in a new vent pipe, so you got adjustable 90 here, adjustable 90 at the top, 30-inch piece of pipe. It's all screwed together and rigid. Right now the burner is lit, pilot is lit, burner is on, water is heating. Should be about 2 hours before you have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.